M&R started on November 13th of 1985. With the offices, is approximately 123,000 square feet. Everything is set up here for one guy to do one thing specific. All the welds on an M&R machine are guaranteed for the life of the machine. This machine will do horizontal or vertical milling. It's using a water-soluble lubricant, so it's environmentally friendly. Now we start sheet metal. In the sheet metal area, these guys will form, bend, shear sheet metal, put louvers in it. Approximately 4,000 flash cures a year go out of this facility. Page after page after page of things that he will test on every machine. 11, 12, 13 automatics being built in this area right now. Gas dryers, electric dryers, convection, infrared, hot air are all made through this area. Everything you see in this plant is somebody's order.